When it comes to cabbage, it's one of the most inexpensive yet a versatile vegetable around the globe. So I thought, why not make something yummy out of it? Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today's recipe is stuffed cabbage rolls. I've kept a pot of water to boil. While it comes to a boil, let's quickly make the stuffing. And in this pan, I'm going to heat up 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions for a few seconds. And next I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this till the onions go soft. Next, let's add in half a capsicum finely chopped. After cooking the capsicum for a few seconds, next I'm going to add in half a cup of raw green peas as well as 2 tomatoes finely chopped. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt for all these ingredients to cook faster. Give it a mix and cook this till the tomatoes are done. The water has come to a boil and now what I'm going to do is I need to cook a whole cabbage in it. Take a big size cabbage and just core it. Just remove the core. And now I'm going to put the whole cabbage into this water. Cook the cabbage leaves for at least a good 2 to 3 minutes. They need to soften. And once you see them coming out of the cabbage, just remove it. Place them on a clean napkin to drain out the excess water. In this way, start loosening out all the layers of cabbage leaves. I'm going to turn off the flame and just remove the remaining cabbage out of the water. So don't waste this cabbage. If you want, you can always chop it up and put it in the filling. Just in case there are thick stems on the leaves, just slice them off after the leaves have cooled down. Otherwise, it's going to be really difficult for you to roll the cabbage leaves. The tomatoes have softened nicely and now into this I'm going to add in the dry spices. So turmeric powder, half a teaspoon, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon, 2 green chilies finely chopped, a little bit of coriander leaves. Give this a good mix. And now into this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of boiled rice. I've taken 1 cup of soya granules and boiled it in water for 10 minutes. Drain out all the water and rinse it a couple of times with normal water. After you finish rinsing it, squeeze out a little bit of the excess water. And now I'm going to add this into the tomato mixture. Give this a good mix. And if you're finding the mixture too dry, you can just add a couple of tablespoons of water. This stuffing is ready and now time to cool it down. While the stuffing is cooling, I'm going to also make a sauce to pour over it. For the sauce, I've taken 1 cup of tomato puree here. Make sure you boil the tomatoes, puree it and then strain it. So let's add it in this pan. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of ketchup, just a teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt to taste, as well as 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix all the ingredients properly and cook this till the sauce or the puree dries out a little bit. While the sauce is simmering, let's make the cabbage rolls. So take a leaf, fill it with about 2 tablespoons of the rice filling. And now let's make the rolls. The sauce has been simmering since the last 7 to 8 minutes and the puree is thickened up slightly. Now into this, I'm going to add in half a cup of water, bring it to a boil. And now I'm going to pour this sauce over the rolls. Cover it with an aluminium foil and then it's ready to go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can always keep the tray absolutely ready and just put it in the oven before serving. This is baked and it's out of the oven. Make these little parcels of happiness and bite into a burst of flavors. Let good times roll with Rajshri Food. Take care. Bye-bye.